Hello guys, this is Satyajit. Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn data structure and algorithm. So in this problem, that order a list numbers without built-in sort, min, maximum function. So how can I solve this problem without using the inbuilt type of function like sort, minimum, maximum function? Okay. So the problem is that we have a list, and inside the list there is a multiple elements, and that is multiple elements which are the numbers, and numbers are negative integer and also positive integers. So the we have to sort it out according their order. Like the output should be minus 23 the first, then minus 6, minus 5, 0, 5, 13 up to the biggest number, that is 67. Okay, so how can we solve these problems? Okay, let's start with, first of all we have to create a empty list. Let's say new list, empty, empty. Then while data list, then we have to find the minimum numbers. Let's say minimum equal to data list, the arbiter number, which is the first number, which is the index 0. Then for we have to retrieve the element for I in data list. Then if, let's say, for I in data list, if I is less than minimum, then minimum equal to I. Okay. In this case, then we have to append, let's say, new list, append the list that append, which is our minimum, then data list dot remove, because we have to remove those minimum from our data list. After that, then print our new list. Here, copy and paste it here. Alright. The problem is, while we create a loop inside this loop. So our create a variable which is minimum, and then I create a arbiter number which is the zero. Zero is the arbiter number of the which is represent the first element of this list, and then I create a loop which is the iterating the over the element of the data list. Then I create a condition, if I less than minimum, then the minimum the number is I, then I append those the minimum number to our new list. Then I remove those minimum number from our data list. Then I print the new list. If I run this, it will give me the output of this, the numbers which is the in a sorted order without using the maximum function, minimum function, or sort function. Okay, so if you have any doubt, then just comment me in this section.